Say! Go, waken Juliet. Go and trim her up. I'll go and chat with Paris. Hi, make haste, make haste. The bridegroom, he is come already. Make haste, I say. Scene 5. Juliet's bedroom.
Mistress? What, Mistress Juliet? That's my warrant her she. Why, lamb? Why, lady? Why, you slug a bed? Why, love, I say, madam, sweetheart, why, bride? What, not a word? You take your pennyworths now. Sleep for a week. For the next night, I warrant the county parrot has set up his rest, that you shall rest but little. God forgive me, Mary and Amen. How sound is she asleep? I needs must wake her. Madam! Madam, madam! I let the county take you in your bed. He'll fright you up with faith. What? Dressed in your clothes and gown again? I must needs wake you, lady, lady, lady! Alas, help, help! My lady's dead! Oh, well a day that ever I was born, some aqua vitae, oh, my lord, my lady! What noise is here? Oh, lamentable day. What is the matter? Look, look, oh, heavy day. Oh, me! Oh, me! My child, my only wife! Revive! Look up, or I will die with thee! Help! Help! Call help!
For shame! Bring Juliet forth, the Lord is come.
She's dead. Deceased. She's dead. Alack the day! Alack the day! She's dead! She's dead! She's dead!
Huh? Let me see her out at last. She's cold. Her blood is settled and her joints are stiff. Life and these lips have long been separated. Death lies on her like an untimely frost upon the sweetest flower of all the field.
Oh, woeful time!
Death that hath ta'en her hence to make me wail ties up my tongue and will not let me speak.
Come, is the bride ready to go to church?
Ready to go, but never to return. Oh, son, the night before thy wedding day hath death lain with thy wife. See, there she lies, flower as she was, deflowered by him. Death is my son-in-law, death is my heir. My daughter he hath wedded. I will die and leave him all. Life, living, all is death's.
For I thought long to see this morning's face, and doth it give me such a sight as this?
Accursed, unhappy, wretched, hateful day. Most miserable
hour that e'er time ever saw.
But one poor and loving child, but one thing to rejoice and solace in, and cruel death hath catched it from my sight. Woe, 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 woeful, woeful day, most lamentable day, most woeful day that ever I did yet behold. Oh day, oh day, oh day, oh hateful day, never was seen so black a day as this. Oh woeful day, oh woeful day.
Beguiled, divorced, wronged, spited, slain, most detestable death by thee beguiled, by cruel thee quite o'erthrown. O love, O life, not life, but love in death.
Despised, distressed, hated, martyred, killed. Uncomfortable time, why camest thou now to murder our solemnity? Oh child, my soul, and not my child. Dead art thou, dead. Alack, my child is dead. And with my child my joys are buried.
Peace! Ho! For shame! Confusion's cure lives not in these confusions. Heaven and yourself had part in this fair maid. Now heaven hath all, and all the better is it for the maid. Your part in her you could not keep from death, but heaven keeps his part in eternal life. The most you sought was her promotion, for 'twas your heaven she should be advanced. And weep ye now, seeing she is advanced above the clouds as high as heaven itself? Oh, in this love you love your child so ill that you run mad, seeing that she is well. She's not well married that lives married long, but she's best married that dies married young. Dry up your tears, and stick your rosemary on this fair course, and, as the custom is, in all her best array bear her to church. For though fond nature bids us all lament, yet nature's tears are reason's merriment.
All things that we ordained festival turn from their office to black funeral. Our instruments to melancholy bells, our wedding cheer to a sad burial feast. Our solemn hymns to sullen dirges change. Our bridal flowers serve for a varied course, and all things change them to the contrary.
Sir, go you in, and madam, go with him. And go, Sir Paris, everyone prepare to follow this fair course unto her grave. The heavens do lower upon you for some ill. Move them no more, but crossing their high will.
Faith, we may put up our pipes and be gone.
Honest good fellows, oh, put up, put up. Well, you know, this is a pitiful case.
Aye, by my troth, the case may be amended.
Musicians, oh, musicians, heart's ease, heart's ease. Oh, and you will have me live play heart's ease.
Why heart's ease?
Oh, musicians, because my heart itself plays. My heart is full of woe. Oh, play me some merry dump to comfort me.
Not a dumb plea. There's no time to play now.
You will not then?
No.
I will then give it you soundly.
What will you give us?
No money on my faith, but the gleek. I will give you the minstrel.
Then will I give you the serving creature.
Then will I lay the serving creature's dagger on your pate. I will carry no crotchets. I'll ray you. I'll faw you. Do you note me?
And you ray us and faw us. You note us. Pray you put up your dagger and put out your wit.
Then have at you with my wit. I will browbeat you with an iron wit and put up my iron dagger. Answer me like men. When griping grief the heart doth wound, and doleful dumps the mind oppress, then music with her silver sound. Why silver sound? Why music with her silver sound? What say you, Simon Catling?
Marry, sir, because silver hath a sweet sound.
Pretty! What say you, Hugh Rebeck?
I say silver sound because musicians sound for silver.
Pretty too! What say you, James Soundpost?
Faith, I know not what to say.
Oh, I cry you mercy! You are the singer. I will sing for you. It is music with her silver sound, because musicians have no gold for sounding. Then music with her silver sound, with speedy help doth lend redress.
What a pestilent knave is this say? Hang him, Jack. Come, we'll in here. Tarry for the mourners and stay dinner.